Alright, in hand I got 2 leg BFR bands. I'm going to be using these to demonstrate how people can improve their groin muscles if you have pelvic floor issues, if you like to pee yourself when you're doing deadlifts, or if you're a goof and you like to do Goda. Both these guys are intended to be put in the same spot, so while I'm putting them on the upper thigh against my adductor, and I'm going to put them on fairly tight, not tight enough to cut off the blood flow that I feel like I go numb, but enough to feel like I have to resist it to not go numb. And so the reason why I'm resisting it is because BFR bands just by themselves don't do a whole good job of educating the limb on how to create tension. But when you do create tension against it, you can feel that pressure feedback or that baroreception. You're going to start to understand how the skin really does educate the layers beneath, the fascia beneath. So it's like I'm wearing a little mankini. I'm sure I look really cute in my sweat shorts like this. Okay, so the benefit of doing this, when I create tension into this guy and I'm able to create that adductive tension, instead of me rolling the bone, there's going to be this filling out into the fullness of the band, and it's going to be a little more cylindrical. So I can stand with neutral limbs, so to speak. They're standing a little more straight as opposed to in or out, which is what many people have an issue with, why they end up getting hip replacements, knee replacements, or some kind of foot and ankle repair. So by the end of this, I'm just going to be bouncing around or walking around, doing whatever I'm doing, keeping that tension. And the more that I can keep that tension and retain that pump, the better that it's going to translate to rotational sports without me feeling like I have to exaggerate things. So get yourself a pair of BFR bands, get yourself a pair of bands that give you a little bit of tension, make sure your moose knuckle's not super visible, and then have fun with it, guys. Don't be weird and have to do, you know what I'm saying? Have fun with it.